Check out this new Samsung device, which is Samsung Z1. Now this is powered by 1.2 GHz dual core processor, and you will get a 768 MB of RAM. So just check out the touch. The touch response you will get a very ultimate, and the performance as well is truly good. As it is a Samsung's own platform, based on a Samsung's own platform, which is known as Tizen. So the performance you will get a ultimate. Let us check out some features in the setting. I click on setting. Almost the user interface we will see it's similar to the Android. Now you can see there are so many things. There are 55 colors, themes and wallpaper. As well as in the themes also you will get an icon theme. You will see there are 3 themes for the icons. Now let me tell you about so many unique features of this device, such as ultra power saving mode. This is the ultra power saving mode. This is basically an emergency feature. For an example, my battery is 100%, so you will get a standby time of approximately 7.6 days. It's an emergency feature. As I enable this ultra power saving mode on, then if you have a 10% battery, it will go for let's say 18 hours, which is not lesser than. Other than ultra power saving mode also, the display quality you are looking, this is because of a LCD known as PLS display is used. This is 4-inch display. Now let's do some chit chat about camera. Back camera is of 3.1 megapixel and front camera in this price segment you are getting VGA for video calling and video chatting, everything.
So in this ultra power saving mode, the difference is like other phones used to go.
Okay friends, now I want to show you about the storage of this device.
This device comes with a great storage capacity, as this runs on a Tizen which is slightly low as compared to any other device. So just go through storage. In any other device, you will get out of 4 GB, you will get approximately 1.8 GB. But in this device, in the Tizen based device, you will get it like more than 2 GB. So this is also the biggest advantage of this device.
So what are the preloaded apps in this device?
There are several preloaded apps like cricket games we are getting. And for several more apps, you can visit this Tizen store. Tizen store comes with thousands of applications. Similarly, you do with the Android phones. Just top free, so many things you are getting. The good thing is also all your Facebook app, WhatsApp, everything is covered. Social apps all are covered. More than social apps, now Samsung is providing you, in this phone Samsung is providing you Joybox. In Joybox you are getting FM radio Hungama. There's 3 months subscription free of cost. You can download the MP3s and videos, everything from this on a one click. Not only Hungama, I'm on the go. I want to see live TV also. I'm crazy about watching new things. So Gen Next you can use this application. Here also you are getting a 3 month subscription free of cost. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. Apart from it, what is the main thing? Can you show me the volume rocker key? This is a volume rocker key?
Yeah, this is a volume rocker key.
Where is the power button?
Here's the power button on a right.
Yeah, right.
Where we are habitual, where we always operate with a thumb.
And so here is the 3.5 mm audio jack?
Yeah. On the top, on the upward side you will find a 3.5. And the good thing about this phone is this is just 112 grams of weight and 9.7 mm thicker. So this is a good in this price segment.
Okay. And what about the battery?
If you talk about battery, it is having a 1500 mAh.
And what about its running status of the battery?
Running status you can check out, you can make it on, so it will show.
Okay. And what about the processor?
Processor, this is powered by 1.2 GHz dual core processor and 768 MB of RAM, 4 GB internal memory, 3.1 back camera, and front camera is VGA, 0.3 megapixel.
Okay friends, now I'm just finishing my review for this device. If you have any query, you can mail me at my email ID. It's technutro@gmail.com. Bye, take care, thanks.